Half-size hinge reversal. To reverse the hinges on a half-size unit, remove the door and all the hinges. Refer to the door removal video. Next, remove all filler bolts on the opposite side of where the hinges were and reinsert them in the corresponding holes on the opposite side. Remove the strike plate and attach it to the opposite side. Install the bottom hinge using a 7/16 wrench. Lay the door on a flat surface. Using a Phillips screwdriver or screw gun, remove the 4 bottom plate screws. Next, remove all the door side screws. Using a Phillips screwdriver and a 5/32 Allen wrench, remove the door handle. Carefully remove the door and door gasket inner plate, and then flip the plate from top to bottom. Using a Phillips screwdriver and a 5/32 Allen wrench, reattach the door handle. Ensure that the handle is oriented towards the top of the door as shown. Using a flat-tip screwdriver, remove the 2 plastic plugs from what is now the door top and insert them into the 2 holes at the bottom of the door. Next, replace all the outside door screws. Use caution when replacing outside door screws. Over-tightening can strip out the plastic inserts. Insert the top hinge into the top of the door, and then thread the top bolt in for the top hinge. Then insert the bottom of the door into the bottom hinge, and then slide the top hinge in behind the threaded bolt. Insert the 2 other top hinge bolts and then tighten. Ensure that the doors align and adjust the door magnet to close correctly.